Again, shout out to Backyard Kennels, 4-month-old presa canaries. This is Rico in the front. They got the correct mask up there.
Jazz.
Correct mask. 4 months old. Look how big Jazz is. This is Rico right here. Look at his mask. Correct. Feet. Correct. His legs. His chest. The lighter one is the female. That's Eve. The biggest one is Jazz.
Come here.
He's trying to come down.
Come here.
4-month-old Jazz. Look how big he is. How beautiful they are. I call him, it was calling him Beast, but I'm calling him Rico. I might call the nigga the Rock. I ain't too sure. And the lighter one is Eve. I see where Jazz at back here. Here go Jazz. She's coming up. All these dogs are offsprings of Backyard Kennels.
Down.
They're 4 months old.
Sit down. Sit down.
Look at the mask on them.
Stay there.
Rico, why you trying to steal the camera, man? Back up, home.
Stay there. Don't move.
It's Eve. All of them are litter mates. All of them are litter mates. Look how big Jazz is back there, man. Like a full-grown baby dog. Correct mask. And they're getting their ears done next week. Sorry, we supposed to did it earlier. We just had a lot to do. But all of them getting their ears done next week. Beautiful looking dogs. Beautiful. True presa canaries.
Sit down. Sit down.
Oh, she's beautiful. Shout out again to Backyard Kennels. Mike, don't put your head in there. We put it on YouTube, we don't put no faces. We won't get none of our faces. Ain't nobody doing nothing wrong, we just don't put our faces on here. We don't believe in that. We just want y'all to appreciate the dogs. So many people got garbage. You know, they talking about they got presa canarios and animal presses. That dog is 4 months old. What are you doing? How tall he is? 4 months old. Up to Eve. No, Eve. Rico, back up. Off. What I tell you, Eve? Look at her. 4 months old. Watch out there, y'all.